Hey, it's Nkati from Trade. In this video, I want to share one rule that I got from Jesse Livermore that's really making a huge difference in trading. And if you do not respect that rule right now, I strongly recommend you note it down, put it on a piece of paper, and make sure you respect it at all times. Jesse Livermore says, wishful thinking should be banished. Okay, it's really clear. But wishful thinking should be banished. Like, how many times did that happen to you that you were wishfully thinking something would happen? Or hoping that price would go back up, or wishing, like hoping that price would go back down. How many times did that happen in trading? Like, I'm sure so many times. And it did the same thing for me. So many times I was expecting something from the market. And this is a big problem, because you cannot expect anything out of the market. People tend to think that the market is supposed to do something, or has to do something. But most of the time it never happens. Whenever you think that the market should do this or should do that, it might happen once or twice, but over time it almost never happens. Why? Because the market is like a group of participants. It's not one thing, it's not one person, it's a group. And you cannot expect anything from that group. The market has no rule. So whenever you're wishfully thinking something, you're hoping for something, you're putting yourself in front of a lot of risk. And huge downside, for sure. The reality is you can never expect something from the market. You can never expect something from a trade. You can only do with what you have. You can only look at what's happening. Don't put your opinion into trading. Don't put what you think into what you want to happen. And really make sure to focus on what the market is showing you, not what you think the market should do or what you think should happen, right? So I hope this rule is valuable. If so, really put it down. Make sure you note it down. Make sure you remember this. If you ever come to a point where you're wishfully thinking something, make sure you do something about it. Make sure you either stop your trade or make sure you do something to stop wishful thinking. I hope this video was valuable. If so, like the video. Let me know what you think. I want to hear your opinion. Subscribe also to the channel. I want to keep putting more videos out there. Check out desiretotrade.com. I have a podcast this week about how to make a trading plan. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.